Hello and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we'll be taking up past tense. We have already done present tense in the previous class and you can refer to chapter number 7 given in your grammar book, verbs past tense. Okay, so let's start learning. Now we make use of the following 6 tense forms to talk about events in the past. You know, past tense means whenever we talk about things that has happened in the past, then we can use past tense in the sentences. Firstly, the simple past. Okay, like for example, I spoke. The past continuous, I was speaking, means it was this action was happening in the past. Okay, for some period of time it was happening. So I was speaking, मैं बोल रहा था या मैं बातें कर रहा था. Okay, in the past, but this is continuous action. The present perfect, I have spoken. Present perfect से क्या समझते हैं? Present perfect means something which has happened recently. Okay, but again it has happened in the past, but immediate past, you can say recent past. The present perfect continuous, I have been speaking. The past perfect, I had spoken. मतलब जो काम complete हो चुका है, okay, in the past. So I had spoken. और past perfect continuous, I had been speaking. This will be taking up in the perfect tense later on. So we will be studying about the simple past and the past continuous in this chapter. Now let's talk about simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past. Like for example, we moved to Kolkata in 2013. So right now, which year is going on? 2020, and this sentence is telling of an event that happened in the year 2013. So it's the past event. It had already happened in the past. Okay, and let's talk about the structure of the simple past tense. Affirmative sentence और positive sentence का structure होगा subject plus verb plus object. If you don't have an object, then also it's fine. You can just write subject plus verb. Like for example, I played. Okay, or if you have an object, then you can write I played football. Both will be correct. And if you have to form negative sentence, then subject plus negative plus verb, base form of verb plus object. I did not play football. Okay, अब सीधा हम not नहीं लगा सकते हैं, so we'll use the past tense of do, which will be did. So I did not play football. अब did के साथ हम कभी भी second या third form of verb नहीं लगाएंगे. It will be always the base form or the first form of verb. So I did not play football. Next is your interrogative sentences. Yes or no questions and negative interrogative के लिए हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Did I play football or didn't I play football? Okay, again did plus subject plus play plus football. Okay, and interrogative sentences, WH questions and negative interrogative. Why did I play football? Why didn't I play football? So remember that we need to have the do support to make negative and interrogative sentences when using the simple past. अब हम do का past form use करेंगे, which is did. Okay, to make your yes or no questions as well as your interrogative sentences. Okay, there's this practice exercise. Change the tense of the following passages into the simple past. So I'm just telling the answer. Radhika was awarded the best student of the year. She received 12 books and a scholarship as prize. Her parents felt very happy on her success. Her friends congratulated her on this distinction. B. It was Monday. Ali came to the Providence School as a teacher for the first time. The first person he met in the school was George. He appeared much younger than his age. Ali thought he was a student. George smiled at Ali and took him to the classroom. All the students stood up to greet George with a lot of enthusiasm. He introduced Ali to his students. Ali discovered that George was also a teacher in the school. They became friends. Let's take C. Ria's first day at school was going very well. She found that the school was much bigger than her previous one. During lunch, she explored the library and was happy to see her favorite books on the shelves. Her classmates and teachers were very helpful. They made sure she understands what was being taught. And the last part is, the day after the storm was bright and sunny. The leaves looked fresh and new. Birds were singing and flying around their nests. The flowers in the garden seemed more colorful. Butterflies found their way to these flowers to collect nectar. And the next question is, change the sentences in exercise 1 into interrogative sentences using the simple past tense. Frame questions in such a way as to get the underlined phrases as answers. You have already changed the forms of verbs in exercise 1. अब जैसे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, राधिका इज़ अवॉर्डेड द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर, तो हमने इसका जो पास्ट टेंस बनाया वो क्या था, राधिका वॉज अवॉर्डेड द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर. तो हमें ऐसा क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है कि ये जो सेंटेंस है, राधिका वॉज अवॉर्डेड द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर, वो उसका आंसर हो. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट आपको दिया हुआ है, व्हाट वाज राधिका अवॉर्डेड, तो इसका आंसर होगा राधिका वाज अवॉर्डेड द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर. अब ऐसे ही सेकंड सेंटेंस का अगर हम क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे तो क्या होगा, व्हाट डिड राधिका रिसीव, क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, तो राधिका रिसीव 12 बुक्स एंड अ स्कॉलरशिप एज प्राइज. या क्वेश्चन हम ये भी बना सकते हैं, व्हाट डिड राधिका रिसीव एज प्राइज. ओके, थर्ड क्वेश्चन विल बी, व्हाई डिड हर पेरेंट्स फील हैप्पी, question mark. And fourth question will be, what did her friends do, question mark. Okay, likewise you can make questions out of all these sentences in their past, simple past form. Now using the simple past tense, we use the simple past tense to talk about an event that took place in the past. Like for example, I studied in modern high, I painted yesterday. कोई भी काम जो आपने पास्ट में किया है उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए आप सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सेकेंडली, टू इंडिकेट पास्ट हैबिट्स, आई यूज़ टू गेट अप लेट व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड. जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं लेट उठता था. आई यूज़ टू रीड अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोरी बुक्स व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड. एंड टू नरेट अ स्टोरी, वंस अपॉन अ टाइम देयर लिव्ड अ किंग, वन डे आई मेट अ लायन दैट कुड टॉक. तो जब भी आप कोई स्टोरी नरेट करते हैं तो वो हमेशा किस में होती है, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में. And whenever we talk about history, like Ashoka was the son of King Ajat-Shatru, the freedom fighters fought bravely for India's independence and so on. Okay. So now you know where all do we use simple past tense. There's one more exercise. Complete the following sentences with correct forms of verbs given in brackets. इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ इनके सिंपल पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म लिखनी है जो भी ये वर्ब्स दिए हुए हैं आपको ब्रैकेट में. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, फाइट फॉट, रूल रूल्ड, फॉलो फॉलोड, डिवाइड डिवाइडेड, लीव लेफ्ट. अब नेक्स्ट मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, श्रीलंका वॉज ऑल्सो अंडर द ब्रिटिश रूल फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. द कंट्री गॉट इट्स इंडिपेंडेंस इन 1948. On 21st July 1960, Shirimavo Bandaranaike took office as the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. She became the world's first female Prime Minister and the first female head of government in past colonial Asia. And third will be, Nepal remained a monarchy throughout most of its history. In 1990, King Birendra agreed to introduce large-scale political reforms. He introduced parliamentary monarchy in Nepal. In this system, the king remained the head of the state while the prime minister acted as the head of the government. The country saw the establishment of a federal democratic republic in 2008. Dr. Ram Baran Yadav became the first president of Nepal on 23rd July 2008. The past tense form of the verbs be and have. अब बी का आपको पता है, जो बी वर्ब होते हैं इज़, एम, आर, उसका पास्ट टेंस क्या बन जाएगा, वॉज वर। ओके, और नेगेटिव और कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म भी आपको पता है, वॉज नॉट, वॉजंट, वर नॉट, वरंट। ओके, और यहाँ पे एक ये टेबल आपको दी हुई है, सो हियर यू कैन रेफर टू द कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म्स एंड नेगेटिव फॉर्म्स ऑफ ऑल दीज वर्ब्स। आई हैड को कैसे लिखेंगे, वी हैड को, यू हैड, शी हैड, they had, it had, they hadn't, it hadn't, and so on. Next is rewrite the following story using the past tense of the verbs given in brackets. This you can do, it's very easy. Let me just give you an idea how to do it. Once upon a time there lived a man and his wife in a village. They were blessed with a goose which laid, L-A-I-D, laid a golden egg every day. They were very lucky to have such a goose at home. Every day the man went to the market to sell the egg. The money they received by selling the egg helped them to buy what they needed. But soon they began to think that they were not getting rich fast enough. They imagined that the bird was made of gold inside. They decided to kill it in order to get the entire store of gold kept inside the goose's stomach at once. One day they cut it open to get what they wanted, but alas, they discovered to their dismay that it was an ordinary goose just like any other of its kind. They became very disappointed. They neither got rich as they had hoped, nor enjoyed the daily share of their wealth any longer. Now let's talk about the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense जो है वो क्या denote करता है, एक continuing action in the past. Something was happening in the past. Like for example, my father was working when Geeta arrived. ठीक है, मेरे फादर काम कर रहे थे जब गीता आई. ठीक है, तो वो मतलब there was a continuity of action in the past. और स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है इसका, I was writing an essay at this time yesterday. So I plus be verb plus main verb plus ing. I was writing. और नेगेटिव में आई वॉज नॉट राइटिंग या अमित वॉज नॉट राइटिंग एंड सो ऑन. इंटेरोगेटिव, वाई वर यू राइटिंग एट दिस टाइम येस्टरडे, वर यू नॉट राइटिंग एन essay at this time yesterday, weren't you writing an essay at this time yesterday, and so on. Okay, the past continuous tense is used to refer to an ongoing action in the past. Ajit was trying to send you a message last night. जो पास्ट में कोई ऑनगोइंग एक्शन हो रहा था उसके लिए हम पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. एंड सेकेंडली, टू रेफर टू अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ अ पास्ट एक्शन. शी वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ठीक है, या तो कोई कॉन्टिन्यूस एक्शन या फिर कोई ऐसा एक्शन जो काफ़ी लंबे ड्यूरेशन के लिए पास्ट में होता रहा हो. ठीक है. Now the last exercise is rewrite the following story using the simple past and past continuous tense forms of the words given in brackets. I'm just giving you the answer to this. Okay. There was a beautiful story among Tibetan people about Mount Everest. In ancient times, there was a sea in this region. People of the region lived very happily there. One day a group of devils came and started destroying everything in the region. The people felt very scared. They were not able to protect their land and their lives from these devils. Out of helplessness, they prayed to the gods for protection. As they were praying, the wind brought 5 colorful clouds to the land. The clouds arrived from heaven. The clouds were actually 5 goddesses. They fought with the devils and locked them under the snow mountains. The people pleaded to the goddesses to remain on earth and protect them. The goddesses agreed. They created forests, grasslands, farm fields, and beautiful flowers. After they finished their creation, they turned into 5 high peaks. Out of the 5 goddesses, the third goddess was the bravest one. She became the tallest peak. People called her Mount Kumolongma, the third goddess, out of gratitude and fondness. The Tibetan third goddess was later renamed as Mount Everest after the surveyor Sir George Everest in 1865. So this was all about past tense. Just do all these exercises in your grammar notebook. as well as in your grammar book and submit your homework by 3 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.